Nearly 2,000 years ago, Caerleon was home to one of the most important Roman legionary fortresses in Britain. More than just a military base, it was a thriving settlement where soldiers and civilians lived side by side. Today, the ruins stand as a testament to Roman engineering and daily life on the edge of an empire. We begin in the Barracks. These are the best preserved Roman military barracks in Europe. Each long, narrow block was divided into rooms for 8 soldiers, called a contubernium. They ate, slept, and stored their weapons here. The stone walls you see were once topped with timber and plaster, with tiled roofs to keep out the cold Welsh rain. Life here was regimented. Dawn parades, weapons drills, and sentry duty. Soldiers were expected to be ready to march at a moment's notice, with armor and kit weighing up to 30 kilograms. Surrounding the barracks were storerooms, workshops, and granaries, all working to keep the legion ready for action. Just outside the barracks are the remains of the road that still links the barracks to the amphitheatre, a Roman road built for speed and durability. Laid in stone, beneath the surface lay a careful layer of gravel and stone for drainage. For centuries, this route echoed with the tramp of marching feet, the clatter of hooves, and the rumble of supply carts. This was more than just a path, it was a lifeline between key parts of the fortress. Roman surveyors built it with such precision that its alignment remains almost perfect after nearly 2,000 years. At the far end of the road stands the amphitheatre, built around AD 90, likely under the governorship of Julius Frontinus, as part of the original fortress plan. The arena's oval floor measures about 58 meters by 46 meters, surrounded by earthen banks that once supported tiered wooden seating. It could hold up to 6,000 spectators, more than the Legion itself. Near the eastern entrance, archaeologists uncovered the remains of a small shrine, probably dedicated to Nemesis, the goddess of fate and justice. Soldiers may have paused here before entering the arena, offering prayers for good fortune and fairness in the contests ahead. Within the amphitheatre, troops fought mock battles, trained in formation, and staged displays of military skill. To the local population, it was a powerful symbol of Roman strength and order. Traders set up stalls nearby, selling food and drink to the crowds. Animal bones found on site suggest that hunts and beast fights were part of the spectacle. On festival days, the atmosphere would have been electric, a vibrant mix of military discipline and public entertainment. Just a few minutes' walk from the amphitheatre were the fortress baths. These were more than a place to wash. They were a social hub, a network of hot rooms, cold plunges, steam chambers, and exercise yards. Here, soldiers relaxed, shared news, and did business. The floors were heated by hypercosts. The baths at Caerleon were unusually large for a military site, even boasting a 50-meter open-air pool. Archaeologists have found fragments of fine Samian pottery and glassware here, showing the soldiers enjoyed some comforts of the empire. Surrounding the fortress were imposing stone walls, stretching nearly 2 miles, and originally rising up to 20 feet high. These walls provided protection and marked the boundaries of a vibrant Roman community. Inside, soldiers lived alongside traders, craftsmen, and families, creating a dynamic settlement on the frontier of the empire. Caerleon stands as a symbol of Roman ambition, resilience, and cultural exchange. It reminds us that the stones of history carry stories of daily lives and imperial reach. Though centuries have passed, these ruins continue to speak, inviting us to explore, imagine, and reflect on the legacy left behind at the edge of the Roman world.